Hi, Jeremy.
Hi, Felipe.
We are talking about RCS today.
Love RCS. Let's talk about it.
So, as you probably know, we at Google see the incredible potential of RCS to define how brands interact with their customers. Imagine receiving messages with high-resolution images, videos, interactive buttons, all inside your native messaging app.
Yeah, same old messaging app, now with all this interaction. At Infobip, we're seeing a growing excitement for RCS among our clients.
So, can you please show us how a brand would start with Infobip today?
I sure can, Felipe. Let's dive in.
Let's do it.
Once inside the Infobip portal, click Channels and Numbers, and then click Channels. Then select RCS Business Messaging to begin the registration process. You'll see three main tabs: Overview, Brands, and Senders. Overview gives you all the information needed on RCS with Infobip, as well as lets you quickly create a new sender. Brands allows you to create a brand to link to a sender. And senders are the names that appear in the messaging app when your messages are delivered. To register a new sender, click Create Sender. Enter a unique sender name. Choose or create a brand. In this demo, we'll create a new one. Select a hosting region. We'll choose North America. Choose a billing category. Non-conversationals for alerts, OTPs, and one-way messaging. Conversational is charged per session, allowing multiple interactions within 24 hours. For this demo, we'll choose non-conversational. Next, select the use case for your sender: OTP, transactional, promotional, or multi-use. We'll select promotional. Fill in the details. Infobip widgets. Fill in description and color. Make sure you input either a phone number or an email or both. Website is optional, but recommended. Next, choose your banner and logo images. Be sure that your files are the right format and the dimensions match what's required. Make sure to enter your privacy policy URL and your terms of service URL. Now click Create Sender when everything is ready. If everything's correct, you'll be moved over to the next screen for our test devices. Momentarily, you'll have the ability to add a test number for your testing purposes. All right, everything was approved, and now we can add a test device. Once you receive the testing invite on your mobile device, accept the testing, and then you'll show a status of ready. Now that we've accepted the invite on our test device and the status shows us ready, we're now ready to send a test message. To start testing, select your test device. And in this example, we will add a custom rich card for our testing. Select the image URL, give it a title, description, and we'll add a suggested action. In this case, open URL. We'll choose a mode. So this opens the default browser on the device, and we'll select a postback, something that's sent back to the Infobip platform when the user clicks the link. And you've sent your first RCS message with Infobip. Once testing is complete, you can submit your RCS agent for launch approval. This notifies the registration team and your account manager. You'll be provided with details like the launch location, sender name, and requirements may vary by country, but your team will guide you through the process. When your agent is approved and live, you're ready to launch your first campaign. To send a campaign, go to Moments, Campaigns, click Broadcast. Select Create Broadcast, and then RCS. Select your recipient and select your sender. In this example, we'll create another rich card. We'll add the media URL. We'll add a title and a suggested action. Now we're done designing our message. We can go ahead and send the message. We'll preview it first. This will show you what your costs will be for this campaign, as well as what the message will look on the user device. We'll now launch. And you've successfully sent your first message with Infobip.
That's cool, Jeremy. Where can our viewers go to learn more?
We have an extensive library of tutorials which guides setting up RCS and some creative ideas for campaigns and much more.
Fantastic. Thank you, Jeremy. Now, I can't wait to see how you use RCS.